I would like to show you guys what I'm expecting on EURUSD. This is my EURUSD chart from last year, 2025. And you can see EURUSD has been quite good to me. So let me show you guys what I'm expecting on EURUSD going forward. Let me take a new chart. Okay, so this is a new chart. Alright, so let's go to daily. Now you can see that EURUSD has been quite bullish. Right, it has been buying until it created this particular last high here. Okay, which has not been broken. So for we to continue the buy, for you to say we are still bullish on EURUSD, this high has to get broken. And you know, as the rule of the uptrend says, the low must not be broken, but the high should be broken. This is the low, it shouldn't be broken, but the high should be broken, right? So this is what we would use as a criteria for this uptrend. All right, now what are we currently seeing? Even though this is the swing high, all right, and now we have this one, but then I'm not going to use this one as my swing low because it has not broken this high yet. Unless it breaks this high, I'm not recognizing this as my swing low. Okay, so now let me look at what happened in the market. So you see, when market was actually creating the swing high, it did something like, you know, highs here, and then it gave it this low. Then we have a very good this high here. Then we had this low. Market gave it this high here, and then we had this low. This is the last low market created. This is the last low market created before it pushes to this high. All right. So for the uptrend to continue, we know we were supposed to be expecting a low somewhere here before the upward, before pushing to the upside. But in this particular market failed to do that. What the market do? Market broke below this low. All right, which means that the uptrend has changed. Market will now wants to sell. You understand? So there was a structure shift at this particular area. So what happened is that we are going to now mark our zone, mark our structures. Okay, this is a structure shift. It's not really a good structure shift actually, but then for me I would use it because this is on the higher time frame, so I'll use it. But normally this particular structure shift is not too nice to me, right? Now after I had the structure shift, market came back for an inducement. It's a very clean one. All right, easy to see, easy to identify. If you know what you are doing, it's very easy. And then after this had happened, what did we see? We saw that whilst market was doing that, the market created a nice area which we can use as our POI, which is this. Okay, so what do we expect? We expect market to sell. Okay, we expect market to sell. All right, which market came to that area, tapped that area, and then we saw a very nice sell to the downside. All right, yeah, I'm still bullish on EURUSD, but right now I'm looking for sales because market has created a market structure shift, and I believe that market will sell to this area. All right, market will sell to this area. So for me, until this area is taken, I am not going to look for buys. I am selling EURUSD until that low is taken. This is my target. All right, so I'm selling EURUSD until my target is hit. However, I told you that this is what market was in a good highs, in a good buy. Sorry, so you could see market was in a good buys. So I don't really expect market to actually change direction entirely. I'm expecting market to give us the sell to maybe a POI here, and then we'll get a buy to break this particular level. This is what I'm expecting on EURUSD. So I'll be selling EURUSD until this low is taken. All right, then if I come to H4, I'm even seeing a nice POI at this particular area. Yes, there's the area I'm seeing the POI on H4. So I'm expecting a buys from this particular area. That is where I will be looking for buys on EURUSD. But then where market is currently, I'm looking for sell. Right, so until market gets here, I will not be buying. All right, so this is what I see. on EURUSD, and this is what I'm expecting to happen. All right, so this on H4, this on H4. If we come to daily, it's really clear and really nice on daily. All right, so there's a very simple as that. That's what I'm expecting on EURUSD. I actually called it in my community last month, 2025. You could see we have this particular setup, which was called on the 17th of December. You see, market played, and I was expecting market to come to this particular area for the sell, right? And eventually market did. All right, eventually market did. It was posted here, I posted them. Eventually market did very nicely, and it's dropping. So if you want to join the SMC community, you can just go to your Telegram and type SMC Trades Community, and then you'll have easy access here. And then you'd also like to get more of this update, so kindly